Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to the channel. I'll tell you what, if you're in the market for a 2-bed, 2-bath, and you're looking for one with structural upgrades, reasonable lot rent, and a lower sticker price, make sure you watch the entire virtual tour, as I guarantee you will be surprised at all the features that 11 Center Isle is bringing to you here in sunny, beautiful Lake Placid. We find ourselves today within Sunshine Mobile Home Park, a very well-located mobile home park here in Lake Placid. Shopping and dining about 5 minutes outside of your front door. As far as where Lake Placid's at, folks, we featured this area tons of times on the channel, but it's about an hour and a half away from either coast if you're a beach lover, but an hour and a half south of Disney. Okay, so just a fantastic Central Florida location. What we're going to do is take a quick tour on the outside, show off some of these structural upgrades that have recently been put into the home, jump in the inside, and then finish up with some numbers to see if this home at 11 Center Isle Boulevard is right for you or somebody that you know. Hey, if you're new to the channel, thanks so much for coming and hanging out. But please don't be like the 87% of people who watch these videos and don't subscribe to the channel. Become a part of the community, guys. Click that subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner. That way you're up to speed with everything we here at the Mobile Home Dealer are doing, whether we're showcasing some of the most beautiful homes, parks, or going to other events in the industry. We are your one-stop shop here on YouTube for everything in the manufactured housing space. So thank you so much for coming along on the journey with us. And if you're ready, I'm ready. And welcome to the virtual tour of 11 Center Isle here in Lake Placid, Florida. So we approach the home. Let's take a look at where it's located at. Very quiet side street. Now this park has RVs on the far side, traditional manufactured homes on this side, single wides, double wides, all that good stuff. This is going to be in the manufactured home space, obviously not in the RV space. So I want to make that clear. It's both of those types of properties are in the same park. This one is on the far east side of the park, where all the other ones are on the opposite side of the park. And then your community center, such as your pool and activity area, that's right in the middle. Okay, so large park, tons of opportunities here for social events, that is for darn sure. Now, on the front end, we have a newer carport here. Well done, well built. Huge space, okay? Easily large enough for 2, if not 3 vehicles here. Now, folks, you're gonna see the screened-in porch, no rips or tears to speak of on the outside here. But I'm going to throw you a curveball. This is one of the only times we've seen this on the channel. There's actually 2 Florida rooms. Okay, so this is Florida room number 1. We got the shed here. Custom built out shelves all throughout. Don't worry, folks. The laundry units that do come with the home, that's in the other Florida room. We're going to take a look at that here in a second. Now, as we pop on through here, we're going to show you the side. Hey, you hear that sound of the door? It means it closes. It means it closes, that's for sure. I got new vinyl wrap all throughout the entire home. The stove inside the kitchen is going to be running off of gas, so all you cooks are going to love that. The central AC unit, guys, look at this beast. The central AC unit got put in about 6 months ago. Okay, it's fully under warranty, so that is definitely coming with the home. New concrete pad to the tune of about $6,500 that was just put in on this house. You see here the bump out there for the second Florida room. That's where we're actually going to jump into the house, guys. Full vinyl wrap. Again, your second Florida room. Both of them have power. If you saw in the first one, that one has power, this one has power. We got power for days here, guys. Again, vinyl and screens on this one. Okay, so you can kind of see it on the video. We got vinyl on the inside, screens on the outside, so you can create that nice airflow going on throughout the entire Florida room. New ceiling fans throughout. Now, this home is being sold fully furnished, okay? So what you see is what you get. So the furniture is going to be coming with it. Separate entrance there for the Florida room. Laundry units, as I promised, and I definitely delivered, guys. Newer washer on there. They did include kind of this neat, I don't think we've ever seen one of those, kind of like a laundry folding area there. More shelves, of course, tons of power in here as well. Another unique feature I want to point out, this at one time was just an outdoor patio, as you see in the video. It's more of a textured pebble style flooring, very easy to clean up. We've featured this several times on the channel. Very easy to clean up with it, or you can stain it. It takes stains very well. I mentioned power, got power here. We have a separate AC unit down there to keep it cool in the summertime. Newer stairs is going to take us in. You're going to see we have extended stairs. The original stairs here, as you see in the video there, are just going to go 3 deep, but they put an additional wood step. So you can keep those on, you can take them out, whatever you want to do here. Let's go ahead and jump in on the inside, see what you think of 11 center here. Now it is a 2-bed, 2-bath split. This is a very rare floor plan. They don't make a lot of these anymore. So when these do come to market, they're highly, highly sought after, and you'll see why. Now, a lot of this is going to be original on the inside. No smell of smoke, no smell of dog odors or anything like that. But you do have these separate wings set up. You have a newer vanity there, newer flooring. Of course, that was redone about a year or so ago. Subflooring and overflooring. Tub shower combo there in the corner. And it looks like the original wallpaper, which is fantastic from just a classic look, that is for sure. Now, the guest bedroom, good size here. I think you can definitely put a queen bed in here, maybe a twin as well. Of course, it's going to be duct for central AC all throughout the house. Nice size walk-in closet. Now, where this home really starts to shine is going to be in this living room area, as it's very, very large inside. That is for darn sure. Of course, the couches are all going to stay with the home. Some of the more recent structural upgrades are going to lead into the kitchen here. Of course, you have a nice kitchen table. Stove and the refrigerator are both newer units. The kitchen has been redesigned at some point in time. Those are not the original cabinets. Those are not the original countertops or the original sink. So you are going to have quite a few things updated in here. At-home planner's desk, which is a rarity. That's kind of a neat place just to stash your keys or whatever. And then your master bedroom or primary bedroom suite, depending on how you want to term it, in the back here. And this is going to have its ensuite bathroom. A couple of things have been updated, some things not so much. Newer vanity there, newer toilet. Of course, we're carrying over there with the wallpaper, and then a totally redone shower stall here with a new tile. Now, I do want to point out here, guys, that's going to be about a 3-inch lip on the shower stall. So if you have problems taking stairs or anything like that, no need to worry, because it's a very low entry step, and they already put a grab rail in there. Okay, so if you or your family member has problems taking stairs, you're going to be good to go out here, that is for sure. They definitely thought ahead of the ball game with it. It's quite nice. Very large walk-in closet in the master. Plenty of space here. So, guys, I'm telling you what, this home packs a ton of punch in it. Tons of structural upgrades in it. Okay, so we got the newer kitchen, cabinets, countertops, appliances. Your big dollar item is going to be the flooring. Overflooring and subflooring has been redone. And then your 6-month-old central AC. Okay, so between those items there, you're looking at about $10,000 to $12,000 in today's numbers to update your home with those items. Those items all come with the home. Okay, so right out of the gate, you're looking about $10,000 to $12,000 in structural upgrades. 2-bed, 2-bath, split, very large carport as well. So a lot of bang for your buck here at Sunshine. Can't speak highly enough about it. And then a good location here, even with the palm trees flying around. So, guys, I hear what you're saying. Mark, how much is this going to cost me? I got a lot of things going on here. How much is it going to cost to carry the home? Well, we're going to get to there in a second. Before we do, folks, if you're new to the channel, always remember that we update our website faster than what we can update our videos. Okay, so we're going to put the company website in the bottom, sellmobilehome.com. Okay, take a look at that website. That's going to be the updated information for this home and all the other listings. But at the time of this listing, you saw it in the thumbnail. That's right, under 25 grand, going to market at 24.9. 24.9 for this home. Lot rent on this unit, lot rent about $750. Okay, about $750 on lot rent, $24,900 on the price of the home. So a lot of bang for your buck here, that is for darn sure, with an extremely motivated seller. Now, folks, we're going to put Eric and Candy's contact in the lower right-hand corner. They're the sales duo who are doing a fantastic job out here in Lake Placid. Give them a call, send them a text message, let them know that you're interested in the property at 11 Center Isle, and they will be more than happy to help answer any one of your questions. As always, folks, my name is Mark. You've been with the Mobile Home Dealer. Thank you so much for coming on this virtual tour. And as always, we'll see y'all on the next one.